Hannah, say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
We are in Baltimore and our flight is delayed by half an hour. So I'll be moving around here. So it's a Christmas day. So I'm going for a chicken egg roll.
Hi.
Hello.
What's that phone?
No, it's a GoPro camera.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pay with my credit card.
Sure. 211.
211.
What up,
Merry
what
Christmas.
we on? Merry Christmas. Here you go, right here.
Oh.
You need any sauce for the egg roll? It's to your left, and not this came in
Okay.
here.
Okay, it's approved.
What's
Thanks.
that for?
It's a YouTube vlog.
YouTube?
Yeah.
I always on YouTube. What's your
Oh.
YouTube?
It's my channel.
Oh, come on, see. Put
Yeah,
me on
okay.
your channel.
Okay, sure.
Come on. That's cool. I always want to do something like that, but I'm too shy.
Oh, it should not be.
Yeah, hold on. You put it in there for me. Wait a minute. Now, put it in there for
My
me.
name is, okay, it's Dr.Ramhari around here.
Yes.
And
I'm Penelope, but you
Oh.
can call me Penny.
nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah, this is my channel.
Cool. You subscribe. You subscribe to
So
you.
you can like, oh,
Oh, hold on. Subscribe to you. I
Oh.
did. I'm gonna like that one. Subscribe.
yes.
I
So-
did.
So this is my channel.
Yes.
And I'll make a vlog and you can see yourself there.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye-bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So we're having this cinnamon bread with cream topping, and this is Pepsi with 0 calorie, and now I'm traveling to Manchester, New Hampshire. But
Where are you drinking? I don't have enough time.
so we're about to reach Manchester in a few minutes. I'll be showing you the outer view how it looks like outside the Manchester, and then from one of our Tipali driver will come us to pick up from there. And so welcome to Manchester. Finally, we have reached Manchester. There's a lot of luggages, you can see. Now we'll be heading towards.
यो म्यानचेस्टर भन्ने यो होइन यो चाहिँ म्यानचेस्टर भन्ने न्यू ह्याम्पसायरको अब सबैभन्दा ठुलो टाउन सिटी भनेको यही हो
And we'll be going to Manchester, then to New Hampshire from there. You can see there people all around. Christmas time, people are traveling to their family.
See, now it's saying 5:35. Oh, that's cool.
I will do.
So they're beautifully cooked.
Oh,
I guess it's baked. baked cakes. It's Christmas time. All people are waiting for their flights. Several flights seem to be delayed. This is the airport bar. You can enjoy the drinking. It's all the people traveling to the entire wedding, and I'm in this flight. So now we'll be exploring the Baltimore airport. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just seeing. Yeah. It's really delicious. So I think they have chicken, onions, carrot, capsicum, and I think it's used in baked with very less oil, and I have also this is the sauce. Currently I'm in the restroom. You can see how clean it is. Thank God there's no one to see around. And one of them is going to pick up us at Manchester Airport. It's really cold here.
Excuse me, folks. I'll be right here. Thank you. Excuse me, folks. That's the fine.
I'll get your bag up top, sir, okay?
It's a phone.
We deserve them too, though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
You do have 4 flight attendants here today, primarily for your safety, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, not for the serving liquor.
You have Renee, you have Alicia and Maria.
All right.
You guys are awesome. Everybody clap for the girl with the lights in her head. Once we are in the air,
Our flight was about to delay.
we will try to do a beverage service. It is a very quick flight, ladies and gentlemen, but as long as it's smooth, we'll try to get up if the captain allows us to. There's a menu in your seat back pocket. We do have a Wi-Fi. You can go ahead and put your device on airplane mode, click on Wi-Fi, Southwest will pop up. Just make sure if you're listening to anything or watching anything, you do have headphones on. If you are in an emergency exit row, please review that safety information card. Make sure you do meet your seatbelts fastened, tray tables up, seat backs up. Make sure everything on the floor is all the way under that seat in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your patience. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
हेम्पसायरमा चाहिँ घुम्नु खालको ठाउँहरू चाहिँ कुन कुन होला?
घुम्ने खालको ठाउँ त धेरै छ भाइ,
धेरै छ।
धेरै छ। यो भनेको त सानो स्टेट भए पनि यो चाहिँ के अरे टुरिज्मको लागि फेमस स्टेट हो हैन। अब यो गरिब स्टेट हो
हजुर,
तर वान अफ द के अरे टप 3 मा पर्ने सेफेस्ट स्टेट पनि हो हैन। अनि अब हाम्रो यो गरिब स्टेटसँग सबैभन्दा धनी स्टेट छ म्यासाचुसेट्स छ।
एक नम्बरमा पर्छ है त।
म्यासाचुसेट्समा हाई अर्निङ पिपलहरू छ। अनि सबै उनीहरूको भ्याकेसन स्की यहाँ चाहिँ